Okay, it is Faith Bernard 10, Faith Nafeti in Africa and Crypto channel. This video I'm going to talk to you about Publish0x. What is this? What is it? In fact, Publish0x is a social media platform. They design the blogging social media platform, and I'm going to show you how to make money on this platform. Okay. um, Let me show you how to make money here. You can choose between Facebook and Twitter. If your first time to come here, I invite you to sign up by clicking my invitation link below, and invite you to register here. You have two options. Um, Whether you register through Facebook or Twitter is the same. But as for me, I choose Twitter. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. We are on Publish0x website. And what you have to do is as you see here, there are a lot of tabs. Okay, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Maker, Dot, and so on and so forth. You just click one of these, for example, Bitcoin, and you scroll down. I'm sorry. When you scroll down, you see there are a lot of contents here. They are tags written by the author on Publish0x. So you just click one of these. For example, this one, I click this article, and you can read. On this platform, you earn and you learn. Okay, so you read the content, and at the end, at the bottom of this article, scroll down here. Okay, you see here tip. You can tip this content. Let me show you. Okay, you can follow first, then you can give some like this, and okay, here I can choose how much tip to the author and how much I keep. So as for me, I divide it by 50-50 here. Okay, like this. Sometimes it's depend on the what the content. If it is the good quality content, I give even more than 50% like that, for example. But I always my tip is always 50-50, me and the author. Okay, so I'm going to tip um, and then after you tip this content, here we go. I have tipped Lord the Nail, and I earn cents farm. Okay, and he as well received the cents farm about 0.0005 farm. Okay, this is how you make money on Publish0x. So I invite you to register through the link below and start your earning. You can become the author on Publish0x by sending email to the administrator, and when they will answer you, when they will reply you to your mail address, and then you will become the author on Publish0x. So I invite you to register through my link below and start your earning today. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.